A new Nutcracker season is upon us, and my hard work pays off after taking proper ballet classes since last November. I got cast in a role in The Waltz of the Flowers. Come along and I'll tell you all about it. Hello dancers! Welcome to the Loft Ballerina channel. I create content for adult ballet dancers to help with your journey and to share mine. If you're new here and you like it, hit subscribe and make sure to check out my other videos. So, last year, before this whole lockdown craziness started, I committed to 4 classes a week at the Columbus Ballet Conservatory. And this year, I was able to audition for a role and I got cast in The Waltz of the Flowers. Yay! For me, as an adult returning to ballet, this is an amazing thing. In my early ballet journey, I quit right before I was old enough for this type of roles, so being able to do it now is delicious. Doing the actual audition process in person was making me a bit nervous, but once I started, I just did it and I just did my best. The way it was done, at least at Columbus Ballet, you audition with all of the students that are at your same level. There are short pieces of choreo from each of the roles your level is eligible for, and you do them first together and then in smaller groups. We're on the smaller side, so most people get only 1 or 2 roles. The little kids usually just get assigned a role according to their ability. I'm definitely super excited to be cast in The Flowers, because it's on point this year and there are only 6 flowers in the dewdrop. This is one of my favorite dances in the entire Nutcracker and definitely has some of the most glamorous costumes. And it looks like this year we might have a brand new costume. I like both the traditional one and the new one. They're both really pretty. The choreography is challenging, but I am sure that by showtime I will be able to do it well. We have already started the rehearsals and we'll continue working on it until December when we finally get to perform in the theater. Last year, when I was in the party scene, the production was made into a film because of COVID. And that was great, but nothing like performing live to an audience. So I'm super happy that we have that again and that I live in a part of the world where we still have the ability to do it. We will do 3 shows, 2 for the public and 1 for school children. So yes, amazing. There are a few other adult students at the conservatory now at different levels, and they are also participating in the production in different roles. Big shout out to fellow YouTuber and my best ballet friend, Virtuous Desi, who I dragged to the audition and she got a part as a party mom, and then she even got a little solo. So see, you just have to go out there and do it, even if you're nervous about trying out. Do it anyway. You might or you might not get the role that you want, but either way, for adult ballet dancers, this is an experience that is great. So I encourage all of you to try out for your own local Nutcracker productions. A lot of them always need community participation, and it is a great way to help your local companies and studios and to get yourself involved in the world of dance and feel more connected. Are you auditioning for any Nutcrackers this year? Are your local studios able to perform live? Please share in the comments, I would love to know. Lovelies, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're new and also the like button, and comment and share this video. I will see you on the next one.